came together at the Edward for the training of the trainers. It's the final training of the trainers that's going to take place here in KZN for the Funda Udlale Nathi program, which is a program that is being rolled out in partnership by the Department of Basic Education, the KwaZulu-Natal Department of Basic Education, VVOB, our learning partner Tabize, and our learning partner Butcher and Associates. For this second scale-up, which will be taking place across the 12 districts in KZN, we were also joined by two other CSOs, Letsi in the Umzinyathi district, and SchoolNet that will be implementing in Ileve, Kinkajwayo, Umkanyagude, Utsugela, Yati, and Zululand. And the intention was for us to prepare for implementation. So the district training teams that are made up of the officials from the districts, that's the chief education specialists, the subject advisors, both ECD and foundation phase, the social workers and the ITOs, together with the facilitation teams from the civil society organizations that I mentioned. We came together to prepare for the blended professional development trajectory, which will include the orientations, onboarding of ECD practitioners and grade R school-based teachers and their leaders in this second scale-up of Funda Udlale Nathi, which is really focused on building capacity and supporting professionalization in ECD, and now also in the foundation phase, given that grade R is a part of that foundation phase. Many of us were joining the program for the first time, and so there was the complexity of having partners in the room who had been part of the program before in Scale 1, but then partners who are brand new. And so there was also a focus on building a foundation for successful partnerships and collaboration between the departmental officials, those district officials I mentioned, and the CSO teams. And then capacitation around the content of the course, and also in terms of where the courses are now sitting on the Moodle platform, so the digital skills aspect. You never know with events like this what to expect. You have a vision, but I can honestly say that the participants surpassed our vision of what this particular capacity development activity was going to be like, and what the outcomes were going to be like. On day one, some of them were brand new to each other. By day 3, that's today, they have formulated district implementation plans that are going to see them collaborating at the district level to train the 5,000 ECD practitioners and teachers that we have set out to train across KZN. So I can honestly say, as the project coordinator for VVOB, our wish list has been surpassed. There was such goodwill in the room in terms of collaboration and partnership. All the participants, the officials and the CSOs, brought themselves to the space. They were focused, they were committed, they accomplished what we set out to do with this particular activity. And now we are really looking forward to meeting them in the field again when we engage in those orientations where we will onboard the ECD participants.